How to monetize your Instagram account. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily monetize your Instagram account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, all you have to do here is simply tap on your profile icon. So in order to enable monetization on your channel, you need to have a professional account. So let's see how you can do that first. Tap on the menu icon on the top right, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see account type and tools. Now head over to switch to professional account and tap on next. Now choose what kind of account you want to have and then tap on switch to professional. And now you'll be given two choices. Either you can create a business account or a creator account. I'm just going to continue with a creator account. Once that is done, your new account, your account will be converted into a professional account. Now from here, tap on menu icon again, and then tap on creator tools and controls. So from here, you're going to check your monetization status and see if you are eligible for monetization or not. So as you can see, I'm currently following all the policies and guidelines related to the monetization tools. So that means I'm eligible for monetization. Now you're going to head over to add payments. So you're going to have to add a payment method before you turn on the monetization. So go ahead and click on payment methods. And from here, you can just choose your billing information and then you should be good to go. And once you have your current balance is $25, then you will be able to withdraw your balance. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next one.